you want, what you want.
Welcome to my new channel, CrashCan, and today we're going to take a look at the new quad box, January 2019, first one of the year. Let's see how good it is. First, let me say, I've already opened it, and I've already did this review. My camera failed. I did not even know. So I'm doing this all over again. Here we go. And as you see, I already used 2 stickers. But here's the stickers. There's the one I used. And there's the other one I used. Okay, so let's move on. We have 3 sets. Cyclone T5047C props. Very cool. We have a Foxeer Clear TX2 VTX. Very nice. And they even included a little lollipop antenna for it. Very cool, very cool. Did it focus? Oh yeah, so I'm using my phone, so pardon me. Anyway, that's pretty cool. And we have a Menace stubby antenna. And it also came with a sticker that I also used. Right there. And last but not least, we have the shirt. Dun, dun, dun. Blaster. I like the shirt. It actually feels like good quality. I shall be wearing this one tomorrow. And if you want more detail, here's the list of everything that came with it. And that's pretty much it for today. Nice little box. I've wanted one of these. I'm going to use this in my next build. And well, that's pretty much it. My first view is a lot better, but since my camera died, I really don't feel like going through all this all over again. Anyway, thanks for joining my channel. It's brand new. Anyway, this was the quad box. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got one yourself. Have a great day. I just wanted to add one more thing. I will be adding the actual prices I find for the box at the end of this video here. I'm going to probably put the listing up right over the screen that you're looking at right now once I get this in the computer, but we'll see if it was worth the value. Alright guys, thanks, like, subscribe, all 4 of you. Have a good one.
What you want, what you want.